Hey, good morning. What's going on? Happy Friday. Well, my buddy Cowboy came over and helped me yank the top off the old Hudson out there. We brought it in. Now you can see kind of where I'm going with this thing. Well, I had to open the doors to get the thing sat down on there, but you can see where I'm going now. It's gonna work. I am gonna have to somewhere around the B pillar. I think it is, yeah. Somewhere around in there is where I'm gonna have to cut it and section it, because it is wide up here. In the back, it's gonna work. That was, I don't mind the sectioning up there. I just wanted to be able to use the back glass. I didn't want to have to cut any of this up, and this is all gonna work. Once I get this skin trimmed down, get this all where this'll sit. This part here is gonna land. I'm gonna cut right here in front of the trunk, right where the radius ends, right there. I'm gonna cut right across there, and that's where this is gonna lay in, which is what I had hoped was gonna happen. And then this, I'll cut square out. All this will lay right down. It'll all attach right there. And then once I get this cut off, this should all lay hopefully right in this line. That's kind of, these are the things that I was hoping for. Now, it don't always land that way, but man, this one's gonna work. This one's gonna work good. So it cuts some of the handwork out. You got a nice shape that will work. And then this, you can kind of see, this is why the back door, isn't gonna work, because I knew where this was gonna land. So I'll continue, once I get this all put where it's gonna go, the doors will get welded in, like I said, and then I will continue this shape just up through this, and that's what that'll be back here. But it's so cool because it's gonna work. That's the beautiful thing. I'm not gonna have to, I'll have to be able to use that stock back glass in there. The chop is gonna be right where I'm not gonna have to cut off any more of the bottom in the back. That's all just gonna sit right down. The roof should look right. The shape should look good. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's gonna look neat. So that's where we're at right now. And I got my cherry picker set up there to be able to pick the roof up and down for whatever trimming I need to do. So hopefully that'll work. So that's it. We've got a Hudson convertible now, huh? If it wasn't in such terrible shape, I'd just make it into a permanent convertible, man. But that thing's rough. It's rusted. The frame's rusted, everything's gone on it. I don't know. I got enough projects to mess with right now. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna keep going for a little while. Later.